Hello people, I wanted to publish to you important video tutorial how to apply displace map when you work with 3ds Max and Arnold render. Also, make sure you texture your object properly and you will use UV unwrap before you apply texture or displace map. Uh, to be honest with you, this is PBR shader which I applied to the sink. I will show you. But maybe in object, maybe in edit mode. I will use speaker. You can still adjust. When you are in a specular option, you can still adjust roughness. You can adjust metalness. You can also do anisotropy. I have to get rid of this because I don't need that one. But you have to apply once again, and I will have to show you what you have to do. You have to have Arnold properties. In height option, we will choose value. This is the best value when you use displacement map, that value. I don't select these options here because I don't use volume material. Okay. I think you have to select this in general properties and auto bump as well. Now we will use bitmap displace for our sink. I have to find the best one. I will check what that material is and preview. I think I can use this displace map. You can override as well. I always save projects. I have copy of the projects. Make sure you save project quite often because 3ds Max tends to crash. It crashes a lot, even for no reason. In subdivision, I actually you can use subdivision or not necessary. I will check what results I will have, but don't use this. Bound bugs when you see some, you know, when displace map generates areas, some of them are uneven. This is to do with shapes if they are higher, like bumpy shapes. You should see like bubbles. This is to do with this. The higher value, the taller visible and black areas will be. Okay, I will show you. I have to check how sync will look like. Okay, you can also copy Arnold properties if you have separate polygons, and you can copy Arnold properties to separate polygons when you don't have the same properties. Oh no, what I am doing? I shouldn't render sync now because I have hidden everything else and isolate. Sorry people, I just have to focus on the sync. I may not give you full complete render. I wanted to see the results. Come on, Arnold render. Sorry people if you have to wait too long. I don't have the strongest graphics card. I have to upgrade to RTX 2080 at least. AMD Ryzen is not good when you want to render VAMP map or displace map. You need lots of RAM and you need a stronger processor, CPU, and lots of RAM. Because Arnold takes up lots of RAM. I installed 64 gigabytes of RAM. You can see this will be better if you wait longer. It's not too bad when it comes to render time. You can see the longer you wait, the better results will be. I also applied this place map to bathroom, one of the elements to get up. But sink is looking amazing, to be honest, people. I didn't expect to achieve that beautiful result. But don't use too high values. I used 0.09 value of height. Otherwise, it will look like it has been extruded and will have visible spikes. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. I used the PBR shaders. I don't know when my render finish. After when it finishes, I will show you or I will send JPG file. To be honest with you, I like this render. Arnold is getting better. I like Arnold and Cycles. I think I wouldn't come back to NVIDIA. I wouldn't get back to NVIDIA mental ray renderer because it was way slower. See you guys. Have a nice evening.